Khulumka takuktai bukuk song jotono no lamsogo ani channel edu tips kok borogo bahai tongbai takuktai bukuk song wansogo jotono kahamno tongbai na takuktai bukuk song jeng tinichin video Agartala branch ni Axis Bank ni tei je chakri ongkhori phaika obonotoi no jeng tinichin video kok salainai takuktai bukuk song Agartala Axis Bank branch ni tei je chakri ongkhori phaika o chakri ongkhori phaika customer service officer post ni bagai tai o chakri ni tei tamo nangmani details rok borok rikha qualification rok bwsak sanjakha bahaike songobono apply khainai oborokno toino jeng tinichin video details nailai takuktai bukuk song video no chengya sakang ani kaisa chikonsa koimu lamsogo takuktai bukuk song ani channel edu tips kok borogo takuktai bukuk song jeng chini channel o kok borok bai daily chakri ni khobor tai educational video rok no norok ni bagai tui phayo hangke takuktai bukuk song norok jodi chini channel o katalangui tongkhangke chini channel no subscribe khaina di tai notification bell no bo click khairi di tamoni bagai hingke jeng jefuru video upload khayo norong thani jotonse sakang sogoina bagai aboni logi chini kok borok bai sanamjak video rok no norok sajagoi tongkhe chini video rok no norok kisa kosto khai like comment and share khairi di chini borok ni bisingo phaidike takuktai bukuk song jeng tinini chino video no chenglai takuktai bukuk song Agartala Axis Bank branch ni tei je chakri ongkhori phaika omo ongkhori phaika customer service officer post ni bagai borok oro puilan seika role ba function o borok seika branch customer service officer aboni pore borok seika department no borok seika branch banking aboni tola borok location derika Agartala cluster mane no Agartala ni branch o chakri ni bagai borok je experience hanka omongkha 4 to 7 years ni experience hanka borok tai o chakri ni notification ongkhori phaika August ni 29 tarikho takuktai bukuk song o chakri ni tei borok je contract type ba contract period rok ni tei borok kono details riyako haipon omo kaisa contract basis no job ongnai aboni pore borok tolao about branch banking rok bori urikha mane no bongni branch ni tei norok jodi kono saimana musongmarok tongkhangkai norok obono pori naimano aboni tola borok about the rule mane no o chakri ba o post ni bagai tam rule tongnai ba bini tam kam rok tongnai oborong teibo borok oro kisa seirikha borok sairikha as a part of the branch banking team customer service officer are responsible for providing over the customer services to fulfill the needs of existing as well as potential customers o jago je customer service officer post ni bagai chakri ongkhori phaimani o post ni ba o chakri ni main kam wngkha customer service ni tei naikanai khainani tai customer rok ni logi interaction khainani omorok nongkha o chakri ni main kam aboni logi borok talao ki responsibilities rok bori urikha mane no tam responsibilities rok tongnai norok jodi o chakri o hapkangkai aborok no bonorok jodi porinai na musungkai porinai mano aboni tolao borok qualification ni kok seika qualification o borok saka graduate ba post graduate hungkai no norok o chakri ni bagai apply khaimano hingke takuktai bukuk song norok ni bagai kaisa belai no kaham opportunity jara graduate ba post graduate complete khaijak borok o job ni bagai apply khaimano aboni logi borok kisamicha professional knowledge rok bo sanka mane no kisamicha experience rok ni kok bo saka borok saka knowledge of banking regulation and norms mane no banking ni sombonde norok kisamicha saimano nangnai maintain a high level of knowledge of banking products and services banking ni je products and services tongmani aboni ti norok kisa knowledge tongna nangnai tai aborok no kisamicha norok maintain ma khainai good communication skill in both English and the local language mane chin tripura ni local language tai English language o norok ni communication skill ba kok samarok tai sima jagarok o norok ni kisa kaham skill ba knowledge tongna nangnai aboni tola borok sikya ability to handle pressures and meet deadlines aboni tola sajaka good networking and relationship building skill mane no borong logi kaham ke norok ni relationship rok sanamna nangnai tai customer rok no kisa attraction khainani bo norok kisa rangna nangnai hangke takuktai bukuk song o job ni tei borok o jagao asungno saka norok obono apply khaina musung hangkai bongni website o thangai direct online apply khaimano online apply khainani link bo ang ani video ni description ni tolao rewi rinai tai o notification ni pdf bo ang an video ni description tolao rewi rinai norok naina musung hangkai arni download khai obono naimano tai norok jodi online apply khaina musung hangkai ajagao direct click khai online apply khaimano hangke takuktai bukuk song tinini bagai asungno jeng tinio chikonsa video nailekha Agartala Axis Bank branch ni tei je chakri ongkhori phaika customer service officer post ni bagai oboni tei jeng tini kisa chin video kok salaikha norok jodi o chakri ni bagai interest tongkhangkai norok online apply khaimano takuktai bukuk song ani kok borok bai sanamani video rok no norok sajagoi tongkhai an video no like khairi di tai norok jodi an channel o katalang tongkhangkai an channel no subscribe khaina di omahaino tebo nangmani video rok bwskango mana bagai khulumka jotono no jai hind